Don't know if you can see it there in that top entrance. It's a little bit hard just here. Oh, now there's a wasp there. Just checking out the bees as well. The hives are quite busy. I'd say the resin bee was in there trying to just steal some resin for itself. Don't get a lot of them, get them every now and then. It's cool. If I can zoom in a little. I'm pretty sure she's stealing resin for her own nest. She's gone. I'm sure she'll be back again later. Got all the mulch out. Oh, you got some spuds there. Only little ones. They're tiny ones. Alright, I'll find something to put them on. Just give me a second, hang on. Okay. If you want to, the dirt can go in the wheelbarrow. What's up? Mosquitoes. Oh, there's another one. Now take all the mulch off the top. And you're going to dig... Oh, there's a little one. They're tiny. Alright, you're going to have baby potatoes to eat. Oh, could be something down there. Oh, you got one half decent size one. Oh, that's a bit shriveled up, isn't it? Oh, I'll put it over there. We'll sort it out later. Oh, you lost a little spud. Okay. I think there's a little tiny one just in there somewhere. No, might not have been. Dig down in here. Don't think I went quite that deep with them, but that's alright. You never know. How you reckon you went? That was it? Alright, level all this out. Level all that back out. Oh, a couple of little wrinkly ones there. And then you can throw your mulch back on top. And then we'll go over and wash off our harvest of very tiny potatoes. Cool. I'll grab the hose. You want to be in charge of videoing? What do you reckon? Can you handle videoing? Just got to hold the camera like this and you move it around a bit. I can just try and hold it on what I'm doing. Got it? It's already recording. Well, considering that it's stopped growing, they're very tiny potatoes. Maybe I need to plant less potatoes and maybe we'll get bigger ones because it's such a small container. I don't think that plant's going to do any good now. That's a funny looking potato. You reckon you might get one meal out of it? Maybe for you. I think that was the potato we planted. So that's no good. I don't really really think they're ready, but you can eat them as baby potatoes. Didn't get any red ones this time. I planted red ones as well as white ones. I might put that one back in. It's got a couple of little. There's one there too. I'll bury that, see what happens. I'll let it grow or it won't. Right. So there's a little potato harvest. What do you reckon? Pretty good. 59 little potatoes. That's pretty cool. 59 little potatoes. Maybe next time we'll get big ones. Well, the dragon fruits have closed up now. You can see the bees still trying to get in there. Just having a good go anyway. And a couple of the photos you would have seen, they had plenty of pollen on them. Oh, I think I might have a little native bee up there if I'm lucky. Oh, I don't know if I can get hold of her. She's moving a bit too quick. Oh, she just crawled inside. Probably can't see up in there very well, but I think she's up in there collecting some pollen. Oh, there's one. There we go. So I don't know how we go as far as getting them pollinated. I'm hoping they have. I'm assuming that one's going to open in a few days. And those ones over there will probably open in a few days. I'm not really sure what colour I'm going to get. Last time I had red ones with white inside, although this one here I just took off the other day. It was the one that I covered up, would have been over a month ago. I took it off. It's actually red with a red inside. It's the first one I've had like that. So hopefully I'll get some more. Oh, there's another bee just shooting in there now. One of my European bees. So Jamie did really well with the potato harvest, and I'm hoping I get some dragon fruit this time around. It should be good too. I'll have to keep you posted on that. Pumpkins aren't doing that well, and the lemon tree's not doing any well. The zucchini's died back, ended up not giving us any. Got one spring onion in there. Got some flowers in here on the pumpkin. I think they're males. There's a zucchini plant there, but it didn't do any good either. It's got male flowers. I don't think there's any female flowers. There's another male flower there. Anyway, we'll see how they go. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're all male flowers. There's no female ones on this one, so I might have ended up with, I may have to plant other pumpkins, I think, next time. Oh, hang on. Oh, no, wait a second. I have got a pumpkin. Well, look at that. It's in here with Jamie's rose. I wonder how that... I'm going to have to try and get her rose out of there, I think. Alright, oh, I'll just move that over that way. That whole thing. Oh, there's some little pumpkins on there, but they haven't, flowers haven't opened on those ones yet. We'll see how they go. Oh, and there could be one there too. So I might get 2 pumpkins this year. We'll see how we go. I'll have to keep you updated on that. I didn't realise I had any at all. Hoping that turns into a pumpkin anyway. Alright, well, we shall catch up with you. It's only a little bit of gardening today. Wasn't much. And yeah, we'll just see how everything goes. Thanks for stopping by to my channel. And we'll catch up with you next time. Bye for now.